Hi everyone, this is a really quick video on how to set up Google Analytics Original and not Google Analytics 4. At the moment, you can see on the screen here, we've got Google Analytics 4. It's the new measurement system from Google, which is great. It's got loads of good tools, but it's not complete yet. There's still tons of things to do. It's very difficult to use for a kind of basic standard business owner website. And what Google have done now is that they've made it so whenever you create a new Google Analytics account, it creates a Google Analytics 4 property by default. Now, I know a lot of our clients are very happy with the old setup, which is similar to this, the one that you all know and love. The good news is you can still set this up, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really simple. It takes 2 seconds. They've just hidden the options. So what you do, you go into your Google Analytics account, go into admin, you go to create a property, and when you create a property, instead of directly creating it in here, you can still name it whatever you like, and you click on advanced options, which is hidden, click this here, add in the URL, remove any unnecessary parameters, tick this box here, and then next. Select your inventory category. This is just a test that we're going to do it. Set the business size, etc., etc., etc. Create. That's it. Done. Back to the old Google Analytics. Hopefully that helped. I know a lot of people have been really stuck with that recently. So yeah, hopefully it gets you back up and running on the old Google Analytics system until GA4 sort out their new platform. Of course, if you've got any more questions about Google Analytics or anything SEO or Google Ads, feel free to drop us our website, give us a shout. More than happy to help. Thanks.